Friends at Ventures, y'all. We're fishing for shad, for bait. And I got a little snack before we got on the boat, and I got me a water. And Daddy's working on wiring or something, aren't you, Daddy?
That's all time, huh?
And Daddy thought the motor wasn't running, which it took a few starts, and then it started running.
Yeah, it did.
And you can see all these aerators lined up somewhere over there, or somewhere over there in different places. That's where all the shad are.
Well, it's been hot. We ain't been out, guys, for 3 weeks. Been too busy.
Blow yourself up, Daddy. Them are like 10 watt, 20 watt batteries.
We've been getting pools ready, you know, all that good stuff. And not sure if the fish finder's going to work or not.
We're at 20 amps.
Our fish finder got a bunch of water in it, which drove me nuts.
We need moisture. Moisture in it.
Moisture in it. I mean, $600 trolling motor, and now you see what's wrong with the screen. Fish finder, whatever I said wrong.
Trolling motor.
I don't know what I'm saying.
It looks like
I'm hooking up the trolling motor. 15,000 things,
right.
y'all, going on. Fish finder, but it's still on there. We just got clouds on it now. Dried it for over a week on our air, and nothing worked. I don't know how it got so much water in it. But it is, what, 4 or 5 years old. But, going to try to catch some shad and see if that thing dries out or works. It does heat up when you have it on, so I'm not fish finder expert. I'm hoping, I'm not for sure, but it looks like very little shad, you guys, on this troll or aerator. So we're going to troll motor over here, see what happens. Mama will probably have you move your pole so I don't hit it.
I go on the Uri splash.
So we're swinging it around. Can't get too close because they go down, but they'll be little bitty baby
This one little
shad.
vibration, y'all. They all run away. They do.
Then it broke. See him jumping out there. I'm not going to let them get out. I don't know how many we're going to
I
get.
bet that's a bunch of shad in there.
I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah.
So when I'm able to, oh, no way. I
Not
seen
a
them
one?
jumping.
Ah,
The net might not be closing up. I might have to use the other one. We should have got some.
false alarm.
Try again.
Daddy.
We shouldn't have said we was going to catch a ton. There might not be that. I just seen like a little school on them.
Daddy, spoiler alert.
Yeah.
You're not. Didn't catch
It scared them all, and they try to come back up. I should have got a little closer, but
Yeah, I think I see them.
That's
net.
not disgusting. When you put it in the lake,
it might be coming out of it before getting it closed up. I might have to throw the other one. Big hole in it. There we go.
Oh, there's some. There they are.
So you can see all that one little bluegill. Man, them some good size. Put new carpet in the boat, y'all. How you like that?
Yeah.
In the state of Indiana, our state, you're not allowed to keep those. I don't know, a dozen of them there. That's my favorite size right there. I know it's disgusting. Put the net in my teeth. I know, but that's the way I've always thrown it
since you was younger.
for a while. I tried the other way, just not that good. I always blow it off. I'll hook my tongue on it. Probably scared them all off, so I don't expect too many. That's enough to go catfishing though, guys.
There's shad in the floor.
If I can catch them now, I can catch them all the rest of the year.
Oh, there's some.
Help you. 4
Yeah.
4 or 5 of them.
I just to tell y'all, the fish are, them shad are very slimy
But-
and stinky.
Guys,
and
that's-
when they rot, it smells like straight up rotten worms. It does. The first time you got the catfish in the yard, and it stunk up about the whole neighborhood. It did.
Yeah, they
That-
smell bad.
It did. Anyway, that's plenty for us. And now you know why we don't own a fancy, nice boat. I like the old boats because we sling shad guts, slime, chicken liver, y'all. Don't we, sweetie?
Yeah.
Our boat gets messy. So let's listen to this motor, guys. It's only the second time since we've had it running. And
this is
I
the
didn't-
solar. Remember
Wait a
we got the, okay.
let's do the motor. Let's not get them. All right, let's listen. Didn't touch nothing. No choke or anything. Idle one really low. But I'm not going to complain, guys. Look at that. So does the motor run? 46-year-old motor. Johnson, got to give it to you. Best motors I've ever seen. That's an old motor, and I ain't touched nothing. Guys, we put the check the lower unit. It's not running perfect. I'm gonna get some plugs for it yet. And, I mean, we just got a lot of projects going on, but hardly any gas. It's just in gear. We're probably going 3 to 5 mile an hour. But you gotta praise the Lord for that, guys. That's just, and you know, be just kind of the way I am. You just give the Lord praise and think about it, pray about things, and I'm happy. Love this boat. It's fun. And she's still running. If it don't, we'll eventually, money-wise, you know how expensive they get. I would like to buy a newer motor, but we don't ski and stuff like that. Not saying we won't ever, but you don't want to take this old boat 50, 60 mile an hour. It's a fishing boat, so. And that's what we do. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna move over here, anchor up, do some fishing. A little windy north wind, guys. How weird is it? We've had 80s and 90-degree weather with an east wind for almost 2 weeks. Very weird weather. I got an idea. We're just gonna see what happens. Make sure I got the anchors ready. The wind's gonna blow us. I want to set up this way, throw down this bank, and see if the wind doesn't blow our shad scent to a catfish. So, throw this back anchor out, y'all. Stay with us. Alright, y'all. Got some shad. We're cutting her up. That's how I do it.
Yep.
Head,
You're using your.
body. Throw the tails away. Yuck is right. Got me a little cutting board finally. The old garage sale special, y'all.
Yep.
I said, well, that's already finished. Use it for a cutting board.
Your eyes glow. Daddy. That one just moved that fast.
We gotta get y'all down to Brookville when we get a chance. Go down there and I know we'll get some small catfish down there, and hopefully the crappie will be off spawn. But I think the catfish are spawning, and we're just kind of being patient, letting everything come off. Water's 74 degrees. I think it'd be hotter. It's been so dry, and where we're at, and what's been 90, ain't it, babe?
Yeah.
They've been in the pool. It's been so hot. Anyway, let's keep all the mess in the bucket. All right, y'all. We're gonna put some poles there.
Got one a bite and they're running with it.
Don't know yet. Ain't very big one. Or a turtle. I think it's running down or coming to me. Let's see. I think he let go.
Oh, he let off?
I really want to catch a turtle, y'all.
I got 6/0 circle hooks. I don't play around out here because there's 20-pound channels in this reservoir, so that possibly could have been a yellow belly. Try to get you a takedown. They've been out 2 minutes probably. So we'll see what happens. We'll fish this. I'm on just a tip for you guys. I always try to go the wind-blown side. We've had a northeast, but the way if you look at the lake, it's coming on this side of the bank. So we're just gonna fish the wind-blown side and see what happens. I mean, some of them's got to be all spawned by now. We might hang into a big one.
I think we got one on, or it's dragging.
Yeah. Ooh, probably.
Yeah.
As soon as I leave my poles, see how that works? See how that works, y'all? I'm over here fixing her poles, and she catches one on my bait caster. It hung up. She's got it on. Pull it, that ain't gonna hurt. Tighten the drag up a little, huh? Probably big ones. She caught the log with it. There, that's a good one. Is it a good one? Feels like it, she said.
Right.
We'll tighten the star up, baby. Push the star forward on the handle. Baby, Mama's got one. Isaac down there playing with the... Been fishing, not a bad one. That's a pretty good size one.
Catfish.
Well, they fight good out here, guys. Them's, what, 7.5 foot? You want to net it?
Net it.
You want to net it? Hey, y'all. Not bad for...
Dragging the line, but then it was driving the
Yeah.
front.
I was adjusting Hun's pole holder. Got him set where she likes them up a little bit.
We got it.
And finally got a run on it, so I figured they run in the banks a little bit. Some of them got to be off spawn, but alrighty. That's not a bad one.
Fish.
Here, I get it, honey. Oh.
About what?
A channel catfish. It says catfish. Oh.
That was a good hook set, but it says 6, 7/0 is what I use, circle hooks. That way they hooked herself. Oh, he got it in the net.
And the
good.
net.
And the net, good.
Oh, great.
Show y'all something. That's a male been spawning. Look at them fins. Been fighting.
Whoa.
All beat up. I'd say it's a male. I mean, I guess they fight on them, so fight the nest. So. Not bad. Way too big to
Make
eat.
a big splash. There we go.
Might be a good evening, guys. We're gonna move around a little bit. Fish just bank down under these trees and logs there. I'll be laying up in them.
There he goes. Get him, baby. He's running.
Hey,
I'm getting one.
get it. Real. Man, y'all. 2 poles, 1. That's probably good. Get this one out. Maybe no one run with it. You don't have to just hold him, let him fight. Mama's got one. Man, y'all. Not 1 minute after we throw that in, we got 2 on. Isaac's got 1, Mama's got 1. Guess how many I got? 0.
And I got.
What you got, golly wampus?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna break your pole.
No, it ain't. It won't break an ugly stick.
Just kidding.
Uh-oh, Mama's got a hog.
The drag.
Fighting like one.
You got a turtle, Mama? Mama's got a hog.
No.
No, just a fighter. Let's see what Isaac's got. We're a mess. There's not enough for... I ain't seen... Don't hold your line. Gotta let it drag. Alright, pull him up. See how big he is. Uh-oh. That one's fighting him good. Get him. It's drag, pull and drag, guys. Look at that. Not me. He pulled that way, sweetie. Go that way.
Tighten the jam.
Oh, he tightened the drag on us, guy. We ain't seen it yet.
Where's it at? Under the boat?
Under the boat.
It's still.
They fight really good out here. That's a pretty good one I seen. That's a good one. Biggest one Isaac got.
Big.
What in the world?
Woo!
What is it?
What are you talking about? Swallowing a circle hook? Golly, fish are starved, guy. Hey, that's what we come out and we've been waiting on.
That is.
Oh,
Take
man.
him.
That's the fattest one.
What it
Don't
do?
say that.
Pull its guts out.
Yeah.
Ah.
Alright. We'll be nice to that one. So, y'all want to show you something new I've done. And I suggest everybody to see this rig. It's just 2 swivels, polymer knot on both. So, been carp fishing and all. I can put a weight on this for carp fishing, but for these cats, no weight. Biggest trick to you guys, catfishing. Quit using them big old weights. Let them swim with it. It's natural in these places, but 3 catfish, y'all, in under 5 minutes. We're gonna cut this one off. We can't even get all of our poles there. All right, that swallowed it. You take it down there. It's one of them cheap old hooks. It'll rust good. But good job, Isaac. Good job, Mama.
Good. Thank you.
It is.
Good job, baby.
That's good.
You're welcome, baby.
Woo.
Woo!
Woo! I got, man, I don't know if it spawned out all of them or not.
Something yet.
That one looks like it's... Eee. 5, 6 pounder. Big old tail, big old heads on them.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Mama snagged her one too. Look at the bat. Maybe they ain't spawned here yet. I know Catfish Dave's Kayal said they're spawning.
Ooh!
They're mean right now. I know that. But they all spawning down south of us. I don't know. 74-degree water. They're probably thinking about it. Man, they mean, guy. Come on now.
You have to cover its eyes.
Well, new hook. It's in there good.
I think it hooked in its eye.
Man, that's in there bad. Give Daddy the plier. It's in there good.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I know where they are.
Look at the belly on that. That's gotta be, it's either been eating good or she's full of eggs ready to go. Pliers, baby, up front. I keep hearing draggers, huh? It's a bird.
Where'd they go?
Wouldn't help if I left them out for you. Here, I got
Right
them,
here.
I got them long ones.
Long needle noses.
I don't think you can get a big enough boat. I'll get you back, girl. Man, ornery. Ain't no wonder Mama thought it was a big one.
Mine was a
fighting good.
monster.
Man, why? Got in that hard part. Alright, let's get.
Got another one, y'all.
Get,
Oh, get off.
Let it get off.
Oops.
I didn't set it. I don't know. No. Run to the boat. Then move
Oh.
on. I gotta get these drags. I ain't caught fish yet, guys. So I don't know.
Daddy.
I
I
got
think
the,
we're right here.
well, I got the littlest one, and it's pulling 25 pounds
I think we're here somewhere.
in there. Got a front coming in. Man, these fish are hitting good.
Hey,
That's
y'all.
4 cats out of here
There,
in 20 minutes.
the little speck of rain.
Yeah, we got rain coming in, I think.
7.
I have medium heavy rods. They fight so good out here. Big old, this big old headed one here. This wing's boat flippy. Watch out, Catfish Dave. We're coming for you. That big old black head on that one, dark color. That's a male, I'd say.
Oh, that one's
There
going.
you go, guy.
Double.
One in your hand and one in the. Watch it roll well. Baby, I need help.
What?
He's got 2 on. Another one on.
Boy, they're hungry, y'all. And they are absolutely. I can't even get these on. They're hitting it hard.
Here they come.
Yeah, that one's slipping. Oh. There y'all. Let's nail that head on that. That's got some good head meat. There's his brother. Isaac caught his brother, guys. Oh, look, there you go. Look at that. Look how dark it is.
Big Daddy.
That's male coming off spawn. That's definitely a male, guys. And they're
Watch
mean.
out, he'll horn you.
Them just mean now.
He's a...
Look at that. All beat up. Look. Horn's gone. That's a fish that's been guarding the net. Thinned out.
He flipped you.
Woo!
Okay.
Got one?
Didn't even hit bottom. I don't know if that's going to run back to me or what. I don't know. Boat's coming back. There we go. Too small. Front's coming in, ain't it, sweetie?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, this wind's picked up, and we needed this front to come in to catch these fish. He's still running with it. Take it back up. It must be a little. Might be a yeller belly turtle. Hung up. I don't know. Take a log, guys. Just a limb. Limb, Bram.
I got one.
Mama's got one.
I hold the camera for you.
It's gonna be cameraman.
Woo!
Both sides of the boat today.
She's got him, y'all.
Uh-uh.
Woo! Say live action.
Live action.
Yee, yee, yee. Look at that, y'all.
Still ain't got this pole holder out.
Zoom in for you little guys. Wow.
Uh-oh, Mama's boat flinging them.
Oh.
I want it.
Quick release, y'all.
Flinging them down.
Wow. It's a beautiful catfish, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm
Line
talking
broke.
too. If your line didn't break, it wouldn't have dropped like that. Is it stuck, Mama?
I think she's stuck.
Help, Mama.
Stuck right now.
Need the pliers, sweetie.
I got it.
Oh, we got some.
Blood all over the boat. Her car.
That's
There
okay.
she is.
Look at that. Whoa.
There she went.
Did it horn you?
No.
Okay. Well, stay tuned, y'all.
Oh. Oh, that one going?
I just casted that one out. Y'all, you ain't never seen channel cat pull like that. Peel a drag. They fight good. It was a lot of fun. Glad we come out. Who's debating? Look at that. That ain't even said they're not huge, but they're good size. Fight hard. That's a pretty one. Just look like a blue cat. Hey, that's a pretty one. Beat up, they're off to spawn. That's what they're hitting. I think they done spawn. Now I don't know if you're either on or what, but fishing the same hole, all beat up and thinned down. Man, they're biting good. Woo! Having fun, y'all. What this one did.
Another lamb?
Yellow belly or what?
Drop it. We move it on up, or?
I think we're gonna move. Got much daylight left. Watch that yellow line around. Look, ain't 10 foot from the bank, guy. Catfish are slamming right now. We just moved. We just got anchored. I got one pole out. I got both of hers out. Just running with it. I don't know what she got, but she got it. My, hear that, y'all? Now that's fighting. Better get the net, Isaac.
Okay.
Pulling the whole boat. It's gonna be. I'm hung up. Oh, I'm hung up good.
Oh boy, it's good.
Can't get anchored. That's man. Just let them fight. That's a good one.
Come
All about the same.
on.
Right, y'all. Get him in the.
I don't fall
He
in the
went
lake.
underneath of it.
Go under. You gotta bring it to it, Mama.
I'm trying.
There you go. Dip it up, baby. There you go. Got him.
In his belly. Go.
Running.
You made me jerk it.
No, I
Oh,
just
it was on
said, there it goes. She got excited.
I thought-
All right, I'm gonna try to get my other poles out here so we can get some
Lord.
action, y'all. Hang on a minute.
Look, Daddy.
Hang on. Hang on. We'll get it out.
Let me.
Oh, he dropped it. That
Oh,
one
out
was
there?
going. Yeah, that one's going.
Can I reel it in?
You got him?
Daddy.
Yeah, baby. Good. That's a good one. That's a good one. Fighting hard. My.
He's fun like that.
Won't you put the pole down there? You can put it in your hip. Pull.
That one's going.
That's full drag, y'all.
He's going under the boat, y'all.
Is that a big one?
Big one. Get the net. It's probably gonna snap. Narrower than last video, the drags. Well, y'all, that's just a high fish.
Breaking hooks up.
He's gonna snap this line, I'm sure. Looks like 20 pounder, isn't it, Daddy?
You get.
Big one.
Where's he at? There he is.
There we go.
Good?
Wow.
That's a good.
I can't hook.
Get him.
Belly on that thing.
Got him.
Woo!
Good job.
Live action.
Dive back.
Yee! Whoa, that's a big daddy. A big mama.
I can't fish out there.
Let me try to get the hook out.
Oh, you might have to get the pliers. Circle hook.
That's a mama. Isn't it? Look at the eggs in that belly, y'all. We're not cutting this one's up. Aren't we, Daddy?
Hang on, sweetie. I'm not trying to get these poles back out.
You can't cut this one up because she has babies.
There must be a moss or limb off this. I can't even throw out.
That. Hold on, the hook's up under him.
Jeez. We'll get hooked again.
I'm trying to hold the camera and get the.
Here, I get
That's what
big old
like
belly
is.
on that one. Look at that, baby. You've been catching the biggest one.
Jeez.
Where's the hook?
It went up under
Let
him.
something attack some. Watch.
My. Look at the belly
It
on
sticks their
that.
horns up, Daddy.
Woo!
Whoa.
Man.
Whoa, that hook, Daddy.
Every spot you move to, y'all. Look at that. Pick him up by his tail, baby. That's all you
Okay.
can do.
If you don't flick.
Only got two
Hold him
poles
tight.
now. Two's
Choke.
got hung up.
Was this like a 20 pounder?
I believe we went through. Good job.
Good
That was
job.
the biggest one. All you, baby.
Yep.
That's some good fighting action.
Up, y'all, the wind's really picking up.
We drug the boat all the way down, anchors and all. We're dragging 2 anchors right now. Look at that. Oh,
Wow.
my. Well, that's why the fish are hitting, y'all. We ain't had a front for 3 weeks come in like this. It spun the boat all the way around. It should blow over. It must be a storm north of it. Well, we're gonna go catch some shad anyway. We're out of bait. Why the fish are hitting?
White happening out here. We're still out here, y'all. I think it's about to rain on us.
Oh.
Well, we survived the rainstorm.
I think I got a heavier one, guy. Really peeling dry. I mean, ain't super heavy, but good heavy. Just pulled hard one. Can't tell with them. They're hitting it so hard I can't tell how big. Just a fighter.
Oh, and
Gonna get in the rope. Just a fighter. That one.
need the net.
I don't think. Just boat back over. A whirl. Dragging our anchors, y'all. We're a mess, guy. Got deeper water. This bank falls off. Why the fighting? That one pulled drag from the get-go. It's strong. I thought it was a heavier fish.
Well,
Won't open his mouth up. Yeah. Mean, they're so mean. Man, they're mean. They're just heavy. They're hard fighting. Thick, big old, look how short, stocky that one is. Them's some of the finest channel catfishing around. They're hitting. We hit it on the right day, Mama.
yeah, we sure did.
I mean, we ain't got no 15-pounder yet. We're working on it. It's gonna get dark on us.
We got a yellow belly.
Mama got
Y'all.
that yellow belly.
That's why it kept doing that.
That's swallowed her to the gills. You can bank on it.
There she
Look,
is.
y'all, yeller belly, mud cat, or whatever they call it.
What's that?
They
Look at
clamp
that,
down
yeah.
like crazy.
Yep.
They always swallow the hook every time.
Yeah, small eyes.
Yeah, and they got real small eyes. I hate that, but that hook will
Silly.
dissolve out though. Good flathead bait where you got big flatheads.
Whee!
There he went. No bait and a log.
Oh, you got one over there. That one's going sideways.
There we go. Finally got one. Run me up some. Look at that, probably the one. He's a feisty one. Good size though. Every one big, nice size. That's the smallest one we caught today. Out about 2 pounds. Nice looking tail.
Another one, y'all.
Just throw that out. Oh man. Oh boy. They fighting hard. Can't tell how big they really are. Hold my britches off. Man, look at that. Wow.
Where's he at? Oh, there he is.
Man, fine. Oh, we got in the rope, guys. You got us in the. Oh, come at. Look how mean they are. Ah, oh, no mercy. They're just, I mean, eating it up. That's good. Good head size. And they're hungry. Them males, I think, is coming off the. Man.
That one's going.
That's screaming. Look at this guy. That green line guy. Baby, I need help. Oh. Oh. Oh.
I need this part.
Hang on. All right, hang on. Here, I catch it. Golly. Hang on, no, don't flip him. Just keep him. Let him fight. Man. Look how, I can't believe how fast they swim to the boat. I mean, they are wound up, guy. Look at that.
You need the net?
I'll need something, mate. Oh, that's a lot of fun. Got him, baby. Oh, that got bigger head on it. Look how mean them are. Ugh. I'd sure like to be getting them 15, 20 pounders. I'll grab this one. Get him back here. I ain't wanting to give up. Isaac's is still fighting. Man, a lot of fun, y'all, when they're hitting like that. Got trolling motor.
Need help?
Oh. Oh, what I did. That just got a big old head on it. What in the world? Hang on. Won't fit in the net. Got the hook there. It's gonna come loose. We'll have to get our bigger net, guy. Can't get him in there. There we go. This is a crappie net, ain't it, Bob?
Yeah, with a hole in it.
What, Dad? I can release the drag and he swims away. Then I can reel him back in.
That one got a big old head on it. Man, they're mean. All right, got him. Here we go. How about pull him in there? There we go. Slack your line. You don't want no tie here. Here we go, y'all. A double. I ain't know why I fish that heavy line.
Oh, that's a big head.
Look at that. Look at that head on now. Look at him, man. Just soon. Good job, baby.
Thank you. Ooh.
Oh no.
That hard. Wow.
That hook, yeah.
What?
Alright, watch out. Look at these hooks out of the way.
Well, that
There
one
you
has black pokey spots on it.
Boat's full of cats, guy. Well,
The fish are warm.
they are. The fish are happy. Get a little rain. Must have got over the spawn. We get them much bigger than that, we won't even get them in.
Is he talking? No. He's not.
Sure like to watch that line run like that.
Let me get Flippy over here.
Alright, where's this one's hook? I'm under my foot. Alright, get that out of here. Got him?
Wow.
Watch your
Hold him under the
foot.
belly.
He flipped me.
Watch your foot.
What in the world was that?
That was a carp.
Oh, carp jumping out of the water.
Lord.
Hi, carp. Let me throw this little one back.
Yeah, that carp's probably be hitting good. Alright guys, if there's any more, or if that's really two that kept hitting my bait.
Let me get that big boy go.
Look at the head on that.
Look at it. Wow. That's so big. Wow.
Gonna eat your foot.
No, he isn't. He is flipping.
Like I said,
What
guys,
is
you can't.
happening?
Some of the finest channel cats in this country is right out here. Reservoir, so
He's bleeding.
a lot of fun. Got him? Good job, sweetie. Yeah. See what happens. There it goes.
Whoa,
Uh-oh. And he got me in the, look at that. That's probably the biggest one, guy. Got me wrapped up over that. Look at that. You're wet. I told you he'd break it off. That was a hog, y'all.
Oh man, we should have got it in.
Got me wrapped around. There's a fence post out there. Did y'all see that splash? Broke her right off.
The hook.
That's 25-pound line. All right, we'll put that in the.
That means, well, it's that ventures. We're signing out, y'all. Getting a little cold and I'm getting hungry.
Baby's getting hungry. We fought fish all evening.
Yeah.
Man, we've had a good time, y'all. And we're gonna head her back. And we're still catching fish, but I got work tomorrow. Baby's getting hungry. Cole went through the windstorm. We want to keep saying out. Just shout out. We want to do more of this, and we need some more subscribers. And share our videos. We got a ton of fishing, and when it gets fall time, we'll do some more hiking. And you know, you can comment, y'all, whatever you if you like one of the other videos and you want to see us do more of that, we'll do more of that. And but we are so thankful the boat's run. This is the second time it's ran out pretty good, and we need to get down to Brookville, and there'll be a lot smaller catfish, but probably won't be able to keep poles in the water. And it's been a good evening. We thank y'all for watching and subscribing and sharing and like and hit all the notifications and tell all your buddies and what we're doing. And we'll get more in depth with some of this stuff. We've been doing all these videos on the boat, trying to get it going, and show you some more techniques of what I do. The main one today is fish on the wind-blown side. It's my trick, and no weight. Keeps you a lot from getting hung up, saves you money. And this 2-swivel system I've been using is good, but if we just go to catfishing, I'll probably take the other swivel off because I don't use any weight when I catfish. So we throw up in these trees and let it sink just slow, and normally when they're hitting that good, they're hit it before it hits bottom. So stay tuned. We love y'all. Sign us out.
Stay tuned, y'all. We love y'all. God bless y'all. And really hit the like button.
Yeah, we told them to hit it.
Helps us.
Yep. Keep subscribing. We got to reach 1,000, and most people know that. So we're a long ways off. We're going to keep videos coming. Sign us out.
Well, gets that ventures. We're signing out, y'all. We
Bye.
love y'all. Bye.